Hello everyone. So we have created this particular dashboard. Now we have got another requirement from our business. What they are saying, like, they want one button. They want to have one button. If they will click on any button, they will come to this particular default view. Suppose I have selected this consumer here. So you can see this number got changed. Suppose I have selected this number again got changed. Now like that, suppose we have a multiple slicer. Now in that case, what will happen to come into the default view? Again, I had to change this. Here also I had to go and I had to change this. Suppose I have a 5 to 10 slices are there. In that case, I have to do it for all. So instead of doing that, what actually they want to create one button. If they will click on that button, this we will come into this particular screen. So how actually we can create that? So to add a button, what we have to do, go into the insert. You can see one button option is there. Click on this and click on the clear all slicer because we want to clear all the slicer. This is one button and we will drag here. Now you can see in the right side we have a certain option. State on the press only we want to do, and the shape, if you want to have a rectangle, arrow, like that, the shape you want, you can add that. I will go with the pill here. And the style, let's add the proper text here. So we will make the text as a clear, and let's make the color as a white so that it will be visible. So you can see clear it is coming. And let's increase the font size 19. Like that, you can add a more visual if you want. You can add a more formatting if you want. Icon and all also you can add, and as well as you can add a fill also, you can see. Now this is got created. Now if I'll go into the any particular filter, suppose this is the filter I have selected, this filter I have selected. Now I have to come in back into the normal state. So what you have to do, if you click here, control and enter, if you'll do, you can see you backed into the normal state, the default view. Now let's try one more time. Suppose this you have selected, this you have selected. And now again, if you click on this clear, you can see you again back to the normal state. So like that actually you can create a button to clear to back into the default view.